Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop channel for honest and in-depth reviews of top-rated Amazon products. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best dish drying rack: stainless steel expandable, the TOOLF Expandable Dish Drying Rack. Whether you're tight on kitchen space or just want a clean, modern dish drainer that does the job right, stay tuned. You'll want to see this one in action. The TOOLF Expandable Dish Drying Rack is more than just a place to air dry your dishes. With dimensions of 26.8 inches deep, 12.6 inches wide, and 7.1 inches high, this large-sized rack is designed to accommodate a family of 5 to 7 people. And here's where it shines: the rack is expandable. You can adjust its length to fit a wide range of countertop sizes, or even collapse it to slide it away when not in use. So whether you're drying dinner plates, soup bowls, glasses, mugs, or even full-sized pots and pans, this rack adjusts to your needs. The collapsible design also makes it super convenient if you need to stash it under the sink or store it away after a big meal. Now let's talk features. It includes a utility foldable rack that flips up to hold up to 6 goblets, wine glasses, or even cooking pots. When you're done, fold it back down, and you've got a more compact setup. It's sleek, it's smart, and it's versatile. The automatic drainage system is another winning feature. The base of the rack is slightly angled and includes a stretchable, widened water spout. Just point it toward your sink, and all that water drains away. No pooling, no messy countertop. It's simple, it's clean, and it works. Let's talk build quality. The TOOLF dish rack is made with premium stainless steel and high-quality plastic components. Not only is it durable and rust-resistant, but the polished metal finish also adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen setup. It's one of those rare products that combines functionality with aesthetics. It also comes with a removable cutlery holder divided into 3 compartments. Forks, knives, spoons, all have their place. And just like the main tray, the holder includes a small drain spout to keep your utensils dry and free from standing water. And when you're done using it, collapse the rack and tuck it into a cabinet or slide it into the sink. It's that easy. Perfect for apartment dwellers, minimalists, or just anyone who hates clutter on their counters. To wrap it up, the TOOLF Expandable Dish Drying Rack offers intelligent design, high-grade materials, and space-saving practicality. It adapts to your kitchen and your lifestyle. If you're looking to upgrade from a basic drying mat or a cheap plastic rack, this might just be your perfect fit. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a review. Have questions or want us to test another kitchen essential? Drop your thoughts in the comments. See you in the next one.